MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news via video media.
Jill, what are Tebis doing here at Seco today?
We are here today at Inspiration Through Innovation to showcase and demonstrate Tebis capabilities and to show the manufacturing industry how introducing Tebis to your shop floor or workshop can benefit you.
And what are those capabilities?
Okay, so the capabilities that we're showing is our new version 4 software with a fully customizable user interface. It's a brand new interface with software that is one user interface for everything. So what we're saying is we don't have a different package for CAD design and for milling, maybe for inspection. It's fully integrated, so it's at the flick of a button and all in the same interface.
Is that what makes Tebis different then?
It does make Tebis different, and along with that, obviously, we have the capabilities for all our internal simulation as well, for everything from CNC machines through to robotics, trimming, and other applications, as well as reverse engineering as well, where we have integration with scanning arms. Now, as well as the software, what Tebis offer, which is by what we see as different from other companies, is that we offer a full range of capabilities through, as we would call it, Tebis the process. So we have a consultancy arm. Now the consultancy arm can come into your business, we can look at your process and measure you against an industry standard, and we can then point you in the right direction for improving your performance. On the second level of that, obviously, is our core product, which is the software, which is a very integral part then for the consultancy to say, okay, we can improve you using our software in these different manners. And then following that, we have our implementation wing, which is obviously very important to follow the guidelines that the consultancy team have suggested, and then finally the training and support staff. So this is a thing that would make Tebis stand apart from other businesses, because what we want to do is offer a full shop floor solution as a partner, rather than just sell you something and just use the software and leave you alone.
And how about the ease of programming, and more importantly, how quick a part comes off the machine? How would you compare to the other companies?
Okay, so actually we see ourselves as on the very high end of this, because with the template technology we can automate the CAD/CAM process. So input the data, apply the template technology, and the software will then automatically select the data. We'll process the NC code and output it directly. Now what you'll see there is, because of the way we actually process the code, Tebis, you'll see the toolpaths are very structured on the surface without a lot of air movements, which again is not cost effective for a business, and what you'll see is a better performance on the machine and a higher quality surface finish.
Simple as that. Jill, what are these components we've got here?
Okay, we've got a challenging 5-axis part here, and at the event today we are actually machining this so you can see all the 5-axis work and the detail that goes into it using Tebis software.
And Seco Tools, of course.
Oh, and of course Seco Tools.
Thanks guys.
Thank you very much.